Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel where I review the latest tech products. Today I have very special device to show you. It's a new OnePlus Open Foldable phone, the first foldable smartphone from OnePlus. This phone is a game changer and I'm going to tell you why. So before starting the video, the buy link is given in the description and you can buy this phone from Amazon at a discounted price. And don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss my latest tech reviews. So let's start the video. The OnePlus Open Foldable phone has a stunning design that combines elegance and functionality. It gives you a sleek and premium look. The phone has dual SIM slot, which is very convenient for travelers or people who use multiple numbers. The phone also has a US factory unlock feature, which means you can use it with any carrier of your choice. But the most impressive thing about this phone is foldable display. The OnePlus Open Foldable phone has 120Hz fluid display that can switch between 6.7-inch and an 8.1-inch screen size. You can use the smaller size screen for normal tasks like browsing, texting or calling, and then unfold the phone to enjoy a larger screen for watching videos, gaming or multitasking. The display is made of ultra thin glass that is durable and flexible. The hinge mechanism is smooth and sturdy and it allows you to fold and unfold the phone with ease. The OnePlus Open Foldable phone also has amazing performance and battery life. It has a Qualcomm Snapdragon 888 processor that delivers fast and smooth performance. It has 16GB of RAM and 512GB of internal storage, which is more than enough for any user. The phone also has 4805 MHz battery that can last for a whole day of heavy use. And if you need to charge it, you can use its 67-watt fast charging feature that can charge the phone from 0% to 100% in just 39 minutes. The camera system of the OnePlus Open Foldable phone is another highlight of this device. This phone has Hasselblad camera that is co-developed by OnePlus and Hasselblad, the legendary camera brand. The camera system consists of 48 megapixel main camera, a 16 megapixel ultra wide camera, a 8 megapixel telephoto camera and a 32 megapixel selfie camera. The camera system offers stunning image quality, rich colors and accurate details. You can use the camera system to record 4K video at 60 frames per second and 8K video at 30 frames per second. The OnePlus Open Foldable phone has some other features that make it stand out from the crowd. It has an in-display fingerprint scanner that is fast and accurate. It also has stereo speaker that produce clear and loud sound. It has Oxygen OS 12, which is based on Android 12 and offers a smooth and customizable user interface. And it also has OnePlus Connect, which is a feature that lets you connect your phone to other OnePlus devices such as TVs, earphones or smartwatches. So the OnePlus Open Foldable phone is truly an amazing device that offers a unique and innovative experience. So it is available for you. If you are interested in buying this phone, you can check out the link in the description below. That's all for your today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more tech reviews. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.